Today we're gonna see how to fix Control Center 4 scanning error on brother printer. Firstly, press Windows plus R, then type CMD and press Enter. Type ipconfig and press Enter. Look for the IPv4 addresses if you see more than one active connection. Disable one. Now go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center and change adapter settings. Right-click on either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then choose Disable. Open Command Prompt and navigate to temp directory by typing cd temp and press Enter. Then delete the twin file, type in del 2001.mtx and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try scanning again using Control Center. If scanning works, you're done. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.